For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Days after the horrific incident of alleged gang rape and murder of a 19-year-old woman in Hathras, Uttar Pradesh, the state is once again in news for similar reasons. In a shocking incident, 3 minor girls received burn injuries after allegedly being attacked with acid in Gonda district. The girls were attacked during the wee hours of Tuesday in Paska village. The suspected attacker was arrested following an encounter with police personnel in Huzurpur area.
थाना परसपुर में एक अभियोग पंजीकृत हुआ है जिसमें 3 बच्चियों के साथ एसिड जैसा केमिकल डाला गया है उनके ऊपर और वो जो है एक जिसमें बच्ची काफ़ी चेहरे पर उसको 15-20% वो जल गई थी। उसमें अभी पुलिस द्वारा जब विवेचना की गई है तो एक आशीष और छोटू उसी गांव का रहने वाला है और उसके द्वारा ये घटना कारित की गई थी।
He further stated that the police personnel retaliated in self-defense during which the accused got injured.
इस समय लगभग 8:45 बजे के आसपास एसओजी टीम और थाना परसपुर पुलिस की टीम जब यहाँ उसकी तलाश में थी तो वो अभियुक्त जो है इधर बाइक से आता हुआ दिखाई दिया और उसने पुलिस की जब गाड़ियाँ अचानक देखी उसकी बाइक फिसल गई और उसने अवैध असलहे से पुलिस के ऊपर फायर किया। पुलिस ने भी आत्मरक्षा फायर किया जिसमें उसको फायरआर्म से इंजरी से चोट आई है और इसको इलाज हेतु भेजा गया है।
The bike of the accused has been seized and a pistol and cartridges have been recovered from his possession. While 2 of the girls received minor burn injuries, the third one was injured in the face during the attack. According to the additional superintendent of police, the accused belongs to the same locality as the girls and has a pawn shop in a nearby market. He was reportedly stalking the eldest sister for many months, who was about to get engaged next week and is believed to be the prime target of the attack. Meanwhile, Medical Superintendent Dr. Indu Bala said that 2 younger sisters were out of danger and they were considering to send the oldest girl to Lucknow, where she can be treated by a plastic surgeon. On the other hand, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has instructed the Gonda Superintendent of Police to take strict action against the culprit and provide the victims with immediate financial aid.
It should also be ensured that in such criminal cases, senior officers should take immediate opportunity to check, complete the investigation proceedings in time and provide protection to the families of the victims. Also, immediately permissible assistance should be provided to the affected families.
Furthermore, he also directed the district administration to provide assistance to the victims and take steps to provide proper medical treatment to the 3 girls. Meanwhile, several opposition leaders, including Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and BSP Supremo Mayawati, once again targeted the Yogi Adityanath government over the law and order situation in the state. This man's 3 daughters aged 17, 10 and 8 were asleep in their home when someone entered and threw acid on them. The UP government's politically motivated narrative of justifying and protecting perpetrators of crime against women has only emboldened criminals across the state. Uttar Pradesh government led by Yogi Adityanath is already facing a lot of flack over the Hathras gang rape and murder case. Several recent incidents, including the ongoing outrage against Hathras horror and Balrampur incident, have highlighted the failure of both the state government and police department in the state.